Hello everyone, my name is Vidya. I'm working as a medical coding tutor. I've been working as a medical coding tutor for 3 to 4 years. I'm graduated in radiotherapy and nuclear medicine. It's after that I learned medical coding, and medical coding is a healthcare IT based professional job, and it's that fact that attracted me into this. More than that, within India as well as abroad, medical coding is providing numerous job opportunities. Inside India, for example, IT companies, hospitals, etc., are using medical coding and has immense opportunities. Abroad, it's very supreme and has a very high demand and provides large number of opportunities. So, as I said, this is a healthcare IT job. The main advantage of this job is that just after completing this course, you may enter a job. Means you enter a job at the earliest without even attending an examinations. Actually, this is a 3 month course, and similarly to by heart or memorize, there is no much difficult or vast content. You need not by heart any of the codes at all. It's using some guidelines that we select codes. This coding job is very much rising and offers a great opportunity in the medical coding stream. My experience in medical coding comes around 3 to 4 years. This itself has attracted me to this job. So let's get into the subjects which organization deals this and its examinations and all those. Medical coding is actually an international certified license course. This is dealt by AAPC. It's an organization called as Analytical Academy of Professional Coders. This organization controls the course as well as the examination. It's this their license that we use. That is, their license will be given to us after passing the examination. This organization issues our certificates. Like in Middle East and all, if we are applying for a job, MOHRDO and all those, that is not required. Just with this international certificate, we may apply and do a job. Middle East accepts this, and IELTS is not required for this. Now, the next topic regarding its exams. Examination conducted will be an open textbook examination. Subjects included here is scoring, and the questions are multiple choice questions. We'll have like 150 questions in total. So we can refer the textbook while answering and then select the correct answer. This is what is regarding the examinations. As I said, soon after finishing this course, you may enter the job. Afterwards, gaining some experience, you may write the exam. There is no time limit or restrictions as to when you have to write the exam. You may attend the exam anytime as you wish. Okay, so that's about the exams. So AAPC is dealing the course and its exams. Next, let's get into the subjects of this course. Here, mainly in theory section, we have anatomy only. It's just anatomy holding the theory part. So, an anatomic knowledge should be derived. You didn't know the background in detail. Anyhow, we'll mostly discuss from the beginning and will include all details regarding anatomy here. So, anatomy is the first subject and the theory subject we must deal with. After that, we have subjects in coding. In anatomy, we'll have to learn about the overall system such as respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system and other systems. We'll learn about each and every system, then its structure, what all it includes and all. For example, in the respiratory system, what all it contains, like nose, throat, lungs, etc. We'll be learning about all those. What all organs are present inside that system and all. Afterwards, we'll see what all diseases can occur in that system in detail about the diseases. Why coding? Coding means like medical coding means what? When we visit a hospital, there will be a file. This file will have our name, the disease we have, and all other details regarding us. Our previous history, formerly did we hold any disease, if presently what's our health condition, for what have we come to visit the doctor, then what all procedures we have gone through, all those. Have we undergone any lab tests or any x-rays? Have we taken any of them. All such details regarding us will be recorded in this file. So what is medical coding? Why should we do that? The details in these files, for example, if we had a fever and I visited the doctor for that cause, then here we're giving the disease fever a code. Or we have undergone a blood test. Blood test too has a code. Then we'll give the code for that also. So in a person's file, we type that person's name. We'll be doing it in a software. So in a file, there'll be a name, whatever code is required. If the patient has fever, then we would give the code for fever. After that, we'll check whether the person underwent some procedure, like some tests or an injection or anything like that. Then we'll have a code for that. So that code will also be entered. So it's after this implementation that the file is sent. So medical coding is conducted to give codes for diseases, procedures, etc. Why is this done? And similarly, we can claim insurance and save time. All those, right? So this is made possible with this coding. So it is for all these that we use medical coding system. Whatever may be the file, if sent to the insurance company, the claim will be under fast track settlement. Its main motive is to make things prominently, the insurance claims and all those settle easy in fast track. So understood, right? What is medical coding? To convert the diseases, procedures, etc. in places like hospitals, to record them easily and fastly, we convert them into codes, and this procedure is called as medical coding.